Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lobster with clay. First, gather your materials, red, orange, and a small amount of black polymer clay. Begin by shaping a 2-inch oval for the main body. Then, create 2 smaller tapered ovals, each about 1.5 inches long for the tail segments. Gently attach these to the back of the body, ensuring a smooth transition. This forms the basic structure of your clay lobster. Next, let's craft the distinctive claws and legs. Roll 2 1.5-inch cylinders of red clay for the claws. Flatten one end of each cylinder and use a tool to create the pincer shape. Attach these firmly to the front sides of the body. For the legs, roll 8 small, thin pieces of clay, each about 1 inch long, and attach 4 to each side of the body, evenly spaced. Now let's add the delicate details of the antennas and eyes. Roll 2 very thin strands of red clay, each approximately 2 inches long, and gently attach them to the front of the lobster's head. For the eyes, roll 2 tiny balls of black clay, about 1/8 of an inch in diameter. Place these on small, short stalks of red clay, then attach them above the claws, giving your lobster character. Finally, it's time to bake your clay lobster to harden it. Follow the specific baking instructions on your polymer clay package. Generally, this involves baking at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness. Once baked, let your beautiful clay lobster cool completely on a heat-safe surface. Now you have a charming, handmade clay lobster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.